GoldenDent.
Hi everyone, it's Jenny here from GoldenDent. Today I'm here to tell you more about our AerosolARMor. Our AerosolARMor is a way to help control aerosols in the practice. You can connect it to your HVE tip or to a funnel system. Let me show you more of the ways you can use this in your practice.
Today we have a pretty interesting looking product here. This is called the AerosolARMor HVE arm holder. It kind of looks like a snake. It has these bone socket joints. Let's show you how you can use this. It's a few different ways. So there's this clamp here, and you can clamp it right onto the headrest. It's really sturdy. You could probably put it anywhere else on a chair depending on the shape of your chair and the style. You can rotate this arm in many different directions. It's kind of like a snake. And then we have this little clamp right here that loosens and tightens with this little joint. Really easy. So let's demonstrate how you could add a suction there. It's pretty stable, which I like. Let's see. Let's loosen it. Tighten it. And you can have this all ready before you even bring the patient back into the chair. And you can have this suction, so you can go in the patient's mouth while the hygienist is working on you. I think it's great, especially during COVID, where we have those air droplets that we're all very concerned about. You could probably even put a high suction there to help with any kind of suctioning that you need.
I hope you enjoyed learning about our AerosolARMor. Coming soon, we are launching the CareShield. It is a funnel with a shield attached to help control aerosols when connected to the AerosolARMor. If you have any product questions or are interested in learning more, check out our website, www.golden-dent.com, or give us a call here in the office, 586-585-1210. Thanks!